A country where wine whispers of legends, where mountains stand tall, where rivers flow in abundance, and gods and goddesses dance. Nepal welcomes you a lifetime experience. Myth and reality, legends and modernity blend in a seamless fusion of life here. The Nepal people are warm and passionate, renowned for their hospitality. A land of distinct construct, there is something here for every visitor. From the lure of the Himalayas, the dense forests of the Tarai, the rich cultural capital Kathmandu, to the numerous shrines, temples, and monasteries across the kingdom, Nepal has captured the imagination of the most discerning traveler. While trekking remains a strong fascination for the adventure, there are various options in adventure sports available today. Bungee hopping, canoeing, rafting, elephant polo, microflight, hot air ballooning, and paragliding amongst others. Kathmandu as the main point of entry by flight remains, but nowadays the Pokhara also the second point to enter the Nepal. Our favorite for its cultural diversity, heritage sites, shopping, dining, and entertainment. As the national carrier of Nepal, we are privileged to have you travel with us. Thank you for the opportunity for serving you. We also invite you to the many airlines of Nepal from our 10 destinations Bangalore, Bangkok, Delhi, Dubai, Hong Kong, Kuala Lumpur, Mumbai, Osaka, Singapore, and Shanghai. Within the country, our elaborate domestic network will fly you to more than 25 destinations in the distinct comfort. This is to mark the new year, and I wish each one of you new belongings and very happy, prosperous, and peaceful 2025. Wishing you a comfortable flight. Once again, thank you for choosing to fly with us with main destination Nepal, the lonely planet destination of the world. Thank you.